Hello! Welcome to Easy English at Home YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to use and form reported speech. We use reported speech to tell someone what another person said. It's actually reporting what you hear. It's good for gossiping, isn't it? Well, let me explain more with an example. Well, Ashley says, I'm ready. And Max is here to tell me what she has said. So he is reporting to me, right? How can he report? In two different ways. He can use direct speech, as in this example. She said, I'm ready. It's direct speech because he uses the original sentence, I'm ready, but in quotation marks, you see? Or he can simply report it using reported speech. Look at this example. She said that she was ready. As you report using the reported speech form, some things change in a sentence. What are they? Let's have a look. The first thing that changes is that there is a reporting verb. So here, she said that. We use say as a reporting verb and it changes form. We report in the past tense. She said that. The second thing that changes is the speaker. Yes, the perspective changes. So look at this example. We don't say I anymore. She was ready. So he is telling me about her. So he has to say she. Number 3. We need to include the conjunction that to connect the two parts together, right? So she said that. And the last thing that you have to keep in mind is backshifting of tense. Remember, as you're reporting, you need to report in the past, so you're backshifting the time. In this example, I am, so the present tense is reported as past tense. Look, am changed form and it became was. Are you ready to study further? Well, our friend Alex met someone famous, someone who had a great impact on social media. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. Yes, Alex asked him a couple of questions about his life. Now, we are gonna help him to report what he has learned. Ready? Let's start. Here we have Zuckerberg's words, original sentences, right? And here we have how Alex is gonna report. Let's start. Zuckerberg says, I live in California. So how can Alex report this piece of information? I live in California, right? So he said that Mark, he lived in California. Yes. So this piece of information is about the present, right? But as you report it, you need to report it in past simple. Another piece of information, I am married. So he said he was married. The same thing happens. And I have 2 children. He said that he had 2 children. So all this information here is reported in the past simple tense, right? Let's go further. What else did he find out? I was born in New York, he said. I was born in New York. So he said that he had been born in New York. So this piece of information is about his past life. So it is formed in the past simple tense. As you report it, you need to report it in past perfect tense, right? Next one. I went to Harvard University, he said, and studied computer science. So he said that he had gone to Harvard University and studied Computer science. Yes. Next, here he talked about his future life. He said, I will continue to live in California. So he said that he would continue to live in California. And another one, I will work to improve humanity. So he said that he would work to improve humanity. So these two sentences are about the future. As you report them, you need to report with would, as in the example. Remember, past simple is reported in past perfect, as it is here, and present simple is reported in the past simple tense. Well done, Alex. Are you ready for the final practice of the day? I've got 6 sentences for you. We are going to report them together. And as we report, we can have a look at the chart showing us how the tenses and the modal verbs change as we report. Number 1. Liz says, I like flowers. She said that she liked flowers. Yes, we report present simple tense in the past simple tense, okay? As we did here. Number 2, Max says, I am working hard now. So he said that he was working hard then. So it's not just the tense or the speaker that changes as you report. Some time expressions also change form. We report the word now with then. Number 3, Liz says, I have never done scuba diving. So she said that she had never done scuba diving, reported in the past perfect tense. Next one, number 4. Joe and Andrew said, we went to school early. So they said that they had gone to school early. And number 5, Mandy says, I will do the shopping this week. I will do the shopping. So she said that she would do the shopping, let's say, that week. We report the word this as that in reported speech. Number 6, Sally. Sally says, I can't go to the party tomorrow. Okay, so how do we report this? She said that she, remember can is reported as could, so we say she said that she couldn't go to the party the next day. The next day. So we report the time expression tomorrow as the next day in reported speech. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We have learned that we can report in 2 different ways. Number 1, you can report indirect speech. For example, she said, I'm ready. Number 2, you can also report in reported speech. For example, she said that she was ready. We have also learned how reported speech works, and we highlighted 4 things we need to keep in mind. Number 1, reporting verb. Say, said. Number 2, change of speakers. The subject or the object pronoun changes. Number 3, to include the conjunction that. Number 4, to backshift the tense and change the modal verbs as listed here. Thank you for watching. You can find the practice files for this lesson on the link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!